Hey guys, it's your summer crash course for dealing at poker professionally. Teacher here, Evan, 120, here to just quickly show you how to search in your general area if there's any poker rooms or the nearest ones to you. There is an app. This is a free app, okay? This is kind of the industry standard of poker room software, I suppose is the best word. It's called PokerAtlas. If you go to your app store and you search for PokerAtlas, you can find the PokerAtlas app, and in it you can download it for free. And once downloaded, I'm going to help you navigate how to essentially search in your general vicinity for the nearest poker rooms. And who knows, you might be watching this and be like, yeah, all this is cool, useful information, but I don't even know if we got poker rooms around here where the nearest one is. Well, here you go. Once you're in the app, you can do two things. You can type your zip code, or what I recommend doing is search nearby current location. And from here, you go into poker rooms, and it will show you. You can switch to a map view and basically see where all the poker rooms are around you, or you can see in sequential order the nearest one by distance to you. And if you shop around the nearby, the front page, you can see what else is going on. But the best way to navigate this is to sort it by the nearest rooms to you, and it will tell you what rooms are nearby you, how far away they are, and you can go into each individual one and see things that are happening and events and how many games are currently going right now, and if there's any tournaments happening today that worth checking out, and see if you want to go play and get a feel for any nearby rooms. If there is a tournament happening today, then you can go in and see details of it. Hey, this is happening right now as we speak. There's they're only like they're on the first level. I could go play in this tournament right now. I got 2 hours left. It's a 2,000 guaranteed prize pool. It's only $20 to get in, and details relating what time it starts, and the buy-in and how many chips you start with, tournament chips, and any other interesting features, how long each level is and stuff like that. And while you're over there, you can see how many from your house. You can see, oh, they got 2 cash games going right now. They got 2 Texas Hold'em tables happening right now. Nice. And there's a little list going. Nice. Each room is going to have different promotions and stuff telling you, oh, this is why you should come here, and this is things that are happening here. We got a huge tournament series. There's a $2 million guaranteed prize pool happening now, and this is where we are, and see what other people are saying about the room. If you have any questions about the previous video or this most recent video, leave a comment and let me know anything that your inquiring minds may want to know, and I will do the best to try to help you out as we gear you up to possibly go do an audition in the not too far future chapter of your life. Much love. God bless. Thanks for watching.